The 2018 Georgetown 3 Series 30x3 Class A motorhome is equally spacious and comfortable. This gas-powered motorhome comes with an automotive bonded front windshield with a power front shade. The Georgetown 3 Series is equipped with automatic hydraulic leveling jacks and color side and rear backup cameras. It also has dual coach batteries, a 4,000 kilowatt Onan gas generator, and has heated and enclosed holding tanks. The cockpit holds deluxe seating, a Pioneer dash entertainment system, and a low-profile engine cover with cup holders. A central living area features a hide-to-bed sofa with footrests, as well as windows with pleated shades, and an entertainment center with a 40-inch LED TV. You'll also find a booth dinette that folds down into a bed, Beauflor vinyl flooring, and overhead storage space. The 30x3's kitchen contains a 3-burner cooktop, oven, a double-door refrigerator, and custom countertops. The bathroom of the Georgetown 3 Series bathroom holds a foot-flush toilet and a vanity sink in a commode room, and a separate glass door shower stall. Your rear master bedroom comes standard with his and hers wardrobes, a 24-inch LED TV, and a king-sized bed with a bedspread package. Head over to hamiltonsrv.com now and get a better look at the vast selection of RVs available on our lot. Save thousands on the nation's most popular RVs and get started by giving us a call at 989-702-2735 to find out more. Don't delay, contact us today.